Well, Ruger is really excited because we have April's bark box. This comes monthly. This one is the Super Chewer, so it is about $32 a month, but we've moved down to the non-Super Chewer that I think is $25, right around there a month, because Ruger's brother Walker went to live with Aunt Alex, went to live with one of our daughters. They are meant to be together. He's doing really great there, and Ruger isn't a Super Chewer, but someone used my referral link, and I'll post that down below. And so we got this box for free. I didn't get the change in time to get it switched over to the not Super Chewer, but we'll have that one for next month. And if these toys aren't good for Ruger, we'll just give them to Walker. He's Walker the Destroyer when it comes to toys. Okay, are you ready? All righty, you're ready to get into, at least you'll have treats, and you love treats, don't you? He's so excited about this. Oh, I know, you're licking your lips. Okay, Ruger, let's get into it. Let's see what we have here. Did I get that? Here we go. What's in there? What's in there? This says Jackpot, P-A-W-T. And this is, oh, looks like this is going to be a Lucky style box. Jackpot, Ruger. Okay, what do we have? Let's start with the toys first, because those aren't his. Oh, okay. What is this, Rug? Oh, look, it's little rabbit coming out of a hat. Okay. He's got to have it. What is that? Okay, next toy. What's this? Oh, look, it's got hearts and spades, and it really chewy ends that are going to be very tough for a Super Chewer like Walker to tear up. I don't know. Is this guy's going to like this or not? Let me remove that tag. These are good quality toys. It says active play only. There you go. All right, we're going to check that out. We're going to lick it. Okay, now onto the part that Ruger likes the best. This is the treats. So Ruger, we've got jerky sticks, pork recipe dog treats. Ooh. So these are 80% pork with apples, I know, and wholesome grains. I gotta show it to them, buddy. I gotta show it to them. They gotta see it. Okay, let's get you the treat, okay? Oh, this is such a good boy. Oh, we're licking our lips. Oh, we're licking our lips. Okay, you ready? Here, shake. Oh, that's a small trick, but we'll let. So while he's chewing that up, I'm going to read to you about this. It says, premium treats for the best dog you know. I love their ingredients. And it talks about the treats. And let's see. I'm trying to find ingredients. Pork, barley, oatmeal, dextrose, glycerin, apples, dried cultured skim milk, and then just some other like apple cider, things like that. This is a darn good quality treat for the sweet boy, huh? Okay, you ready to try the next one? Okay. Let's see what we got. Yeah, let's see, soft bakes, okay, off. Now he knows better, he's very excited. Duck and veggie recipe dog treats. Duck is the first ingredient. Do you want some duck? Do you want some duck? Let's see, do you want some duck? Here we go, okay. I know, it's very yummy. Okay, up, 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 up. Oh, okay, well, he cheated a little. He supported himself on my knee, but did you even taste it? Was it delicious? Yeah, these look like, I should show you what the treats look like. These look like, almost look like Fig Newtons. Look, it's a nice chewy treat for him. Okay, Ruger, high five. Good boy. Oh my goodness. He loves these treats. I know it's okay. And now what? Oh, now we have our chew stick. So this is the pumpkin and honey recipe. And this is a nice long one. And this, oh, it's divided in two. And then this is the pork stick recipe. So Ruger, are you ready for some great treats? All right, here we go. Okay. Down, down, No. Down. You stay right there. Stay right there. You wait. Okay, you can get it. Good boy. He's a really obedient dog. And he likes a lot of treats, but not all of them. But Bark Box treats always make this dog happy. Okay, let's do one more trick. This one's going to take the cameraman a little bit of work. So Ruger, here, turn around. Come over here. Come here. Rug, come here. Come here. All right. Sit. Stay right there. Now Sam's going to keep the camera on Ruger, but I'm going to walk away. You stay right there. You stay. Okay, come here and get the treat. There you are, good boy. So that's our Bark Box for the month. It's fabulous quality treats. We just love these. Next month we'll have some of the soft toys that Ruger loves so much. He's a real soft mouth boy and he really likes them if they squeak. So we're hoping some squeaky stuff shows up. Well, thank you very much for watching this with us. Comment down below. I always respond. Please hit the like button if you could. Subscribe if you'd like, if you enjoy different types of unboxings, and we will see you on the next one. Bye-bye and be blessed. What have you got, Ruger? What have you got? I know. You really? You want another one?